taking me home. One thing really do want. You see that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Leann. For those of you who are new here, for those of you who aren't new, welcome back. So today guys, I'm gonna be doing my Christmas, holiday season makeup tutorial. So if you have not already subscribed guys, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now, and for you to be notified every time I do an upload, go ahead and click that little bell next to the subscribe button. Before I already do my brows, not too shabby, they came out looking good. So I'm about to get into this tutorial. I'm gonna do my primer next, and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. So let's get started. The primer I'm gonna be using is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I got it from Walmart. Okay, so I can just prime my my face with this, and I just take like little dabs, like that. I just put there. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in and do the eyes, and I'm gonna be using my Morph palette. I'm gonna be taking like this color right here, and in my crease, going into my crease right now, and I'm just gonna go windshield wiper motion in my crease, and then after that I'm gonna take the cranberry and go over it. So that's our first color, first transition color. Now I'm gonna going in, and I have like a plum kind of color in here, this one right here, and I'm gonna go on top of that brown transition color that I just put on, but I'm just gonna take a little bit at a time, like barely dab the brush in it. And I'm gonna start from here. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna just kind of cut my crease a little bit just to add a base back on my lid, and I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I switch over to my Ace VV palette, and I'm going to use a pink that's in here, so it could actually show up on the camera, because it ain't really that bright like I want it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in and touch up my crease. So I'm actually taking like, these are colors I'm using. This one is what I put on my lid, and then this one is a red that I kind of put over the cranberry one, so you could have like a more reddish tone. So I need to take like a little dab, about that much, tapping it off, and then just circular motion, like boom, and then circular motion, and then going in. So now I'm gonna apply my liner, and I'm using the NYX eyeliner in black. So I do a short little wing. So now I can just clean up my eyeliner with some of my foundation, and I'm using Coconut 355 in the Maybelline New York foundation. This is the 24-hour stay one. Holy grail. Next, I'm just gonna go and highlight with Toffee in the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna do underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, and up here. And to contour, I'm gonna be using my Raw Dog CoverGirl Ebony Queen bronzer. And then I'm gonna take my what do you call this? Topaz, the Benai Topaz powder. Take a little bit in the cap, and I'm just gonna set it underneath my. Did I use the same brush? What the heck? Girl, you tripping. Little brush, tap out the excess, and just press it in there. Then just blend it out. Ooh, oh shit. Girl. Oh, you see that? Damn, power of makeup missing. So now I'm gonna blend everything now together with whatever is left of my L'Oreal True Match Super Blend Foundation. Super Blend blending powder, and this is the color Sable. Okay, that side, that side. Yeah. Remember I tell you get like a pink in here, but I don't know how we're gonna look. This is a pink here. I don't know how the heck it's gonna look on me. Well, let me just do mascara. Where my shit? Hopefully the look, like in person, I can see like the look full and open up. Hopefully coming through in the camera. Hopefully. Okay, so now let me do something like in a tear duct. Same highlighter that I put on my brow bone and doing my tear duct. I'm gonna do like a glassy lip, a sheer glass it's from LA Colors moisturizing glass. Me forget where I come from. The lip glass was popping back then. That's about it. I'm gonna get ready now. I'll put everything together to show you guys. I'm gonna freshen up my hair and I'll be right back. Hold on.